It's okay. After thinking about it for a while, I decided to come out from my animated videos and bring out my face out here so you would see. My name is Juliet and this is Brighter Phone World. Welcome to Brighter Phone World. Thanks for clicking on this video and please stay tuned to the end of the video and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so today let's talk quickly about getting the suitable wedding hashtag for your wedding. So many people do have this difficulty. I mean, I've had friends that when they're getting married, they were like, what should I use for my wedding? Should I combine my name and his name? Should I use a unique word? How do I go about it? Okay, so we're going to discuss all about that today in this video. So stay tuned. So okay, today before we dive in to creating wedding hashtag, let's use two couples. Let's use our imaginary couples today to generate wedding hashtag. So the bride's name is Jane Jacob and the groom's name is Muyiwa Adeleke. Let's clap for them. So Jane Jacob Muyiwa Adeleke. Yeah, don't mind me, I just came up with that name. So now let's see some hashtag that we can come up with using Jane Jacob and Muyiwa Adeleke. We have Jane and Mui tie the knot. Yay! We have Jane and Mui get hitched. We have meet the Adelekes. We have Jane and Mui says I do. Jane and Mui kiss and tell. Jane and Mui vows. So you can see how somehow unique this hashtag is. You may not want to use extra words in between your names and all. So let's see, how do we do it? How do we keep it? For example, so you can combine the couples, that's your name. Your name, either you use the first initials, your first name, or middle names, or nickname. So by initials, we have Jane Jacob, right? That is, we have JG, and we have Muyiwa Adeleke, we have MA. So you can combine it like JJ, and MA, or JM, or yeah, JM affairs, something like that in that line. So, or you use your first name like we saw using Jane and me, shorten Muyiwa to Muyi. Then you can also use the middle name if they are using name, or the popular nickname of the couple that is known to the family and friends. So it also makes sense, right? So you can go extra by spicing it up with referencing pop culture like entertainment, like fashion, or even slang. For example, we can use words like finally, that is hashtag finally, hashtag everybody loves, hashtag Operation Adeleke's operation. That's a really nice one, I like that. Or hashtag Adeleke show, hashtag two scoops of Adeleke, wow. Or let's see, there was this actor, popular actor Williams Ochimba, during his wedding, the hashtag that he used was Williams got the Oscar. Yeah, right? Williams' surname, Oscar the bride's surname. So imagine William got the Oscar. So that is a very nice hashtag. You can just be so creative with yours. So you try to make it simple. You can use combination of, you can get inspiration when combining your names. Then there's another perfect one I like the very first love story I shared on brotherfromworld.com was hashtag Toluwaseun. So Oluwaseun is the name of the bride, Tolulope is the name of the groom. So the combination became Toluwaseun, hashtag Toluwaseun. Sounds interesting, right? So that's that. So you can also, there's how you can mix up these names to make it come out well. So now let's talk about how you create your own wedding hashtag, giving out my own examples. So let's start by merging your names. So we've said that before, merging the first name, your middle name, nickname. So if you're combining the first name does not work. You can match the first name with his name or his middle name, and even use initials. For example, we have hashtag JM, that's Jane Muyiwa. Simple as that. Don't stress yourself. Don't have wahala. Right? No wahala. So you can have you can create chicken numbers. For example, hashtag JM2023. Right? If you don't want to stop at JM, just put the year that you're getting married, hashtag JM2023, and make sure that you don't make spelling errors. Now you don't want to see that. So you can also try to shorten your names, not to make spelling errors. So for example, you can swap the names if there are double letters. Instead of saying Dara and Muyi, instead of saying hashtag Dara and Muyi, or you can use Muyi and Dara, because Dara ends with A and also begins with A. So people might mix it up. It will not be Da and. So you don't want that. So instead of saying Dara and Muyi, you can just swap it Muyi and Dara. It's that simple. So always make use of caps lock, that's sentence case, when you're writing each of the hashtags, so that people can know, okay, this is, we are combining the words here, right? So like we saw in Dara and Muyi. Yeah. So once the hashtag is ready, you can now start spreading it, use it in your wedding photos, and we also have wedding hashtag generators that you can use. And how does it go? Okay, I'll leave the link in the comment section, and briefly let me explain to you how you can use these wedding hashtag generators. Right, stay tuned. Yay. So this is the wedding hashtag generator that we're going to use. I have left the link, direct link to this website in the description section. So just go there and use it. It's entirely free to use, as you can see. Free to use, and you don't need to fill much boxes. This is just for, and what you need is just your first name, your surname, your fancy first name, and his last name. So because we've used Jane and Jacob, Muyiwa and Adeleke as our case study couple for today, so let's use their name. This is Jane, and Jane's last name is Jacob. So this is Muyiwa, and Muyiwa last name is what? Adeleke. So let's click on get the hashtag, or you could choose to make it more unique. If you are making it more unique, it's going to give you more options, but let's just keep it short at that. When you're doing it, you can explore the option. So now look at the Adeleke nuptial tiles. You can continue with this arrow, the adventures of G and M, Adeleke team, hashtag 2 become one Adeleke, hashtag always and forever Adeleke, hashtag becoming Adeleke, hashtag celebrating Adeleke, hashtag Jane and Muyiwa, hashtag Team Jane and Team Muyiwa, hashtag Muyiwa put a ring on it, meet the Adelekes, hashtag not going back Jane. So you get some. Look at Adeleke in this number, you can change it to a number peculiar to you both, or anything you need. This is just to give you an idea of what to do to get rid of that notion that you don't know what to say, or the hashtag to use, or is giving you sleeping, like there are enough things to plan for wedding, right? So you have 79 awesome hashtags to choose from. So by the time, before you go through to the end of 79 hashtags, why didn't you see the one that you want? Even if I thought you don't see the one you want, you can mix up well, take out some, and just before you know, you get the perfect one. No big deal, right? Yeah, so that is it about using the free wedding hashtag generator to help you generate a hashtag for your wedding. And also, if you are married, I want you to tell us in the comment section your wedding hashtag. What wedding hashtag did you use when you were getting married? I can't wait to see exciting feedback. And if you're getting married, I hope that this wedding hashtag generator will help you, and kindly just give us a glimpse into what you think you want your wedding hashtag to be, or If you're also married and you want to share your love story with us, can go to bridalforward.com. Again, the link is on the description button. Go to bridalforward.com, submit your love story, and we'll share on bridalforward.com. This will help to encourage those that are in search for love, and also see that there are also good love stories, not bad stories. That and if you're also watching me and you're looking for love, yes, you heard me right, you can find love on Bridal Forward. Simply go to Bridal Forward and fill the form on Find Love, and we're going to connect you with your perfect match, right? So with that, this is the end of today's video. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe also. Bye. I love you.